So over here you can see that I have photos right here, and let's say what I want to do is I actually want to go ahead and add in keywords to these particular photos. So if you want to do that, you need to click on a particular photo where you want to add the keyword, and then over here on the right hand side you can simply start typing in keyword for it. Let's say for example I'm going to say flower, and I'm going to press comma and type in color right here. Let's say for example just like this, and I'm going to say simple just like this, and you can see that these are the keywords it added in. You can also go around over here and let's say for example say green and then pink right here, and these become the keyword right there. Apart from that, I can go around onto another like let's say for example place as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and now based on the previous keywords I entered, you can also see the keyword suggestions right here. So this is what I want right here. So this is color, as you can see right here. Simple is here. You can simply click, and then you can go ahead and say sky, bench right here just like this, bench, and then let's say for example grass right here just like this as well. So apart from that, you can also go around over here. So you can see that there's green right here, and there's grass right here, there's sky as you can see right here, and I'm going to say water over here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is car, as you can see right here. And then apart from that, you can also go ahead and add in other things, like this is color and this is a sky. Let's say for example, so this one is water, and then I'm going to go around and say girl. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then let's say for example simply go ahead and then add in keywords as you like inside of different pictures right there. So this is going to be black and white, and I'm going to say kid right here just like this, and those are the keywords which are added in for this particular photo now. So that is how you can go ahead and add keywords to photos one by one inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.